how to sell your deals to cash buyers for massive profits. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn. In today's clip, we share with you exactly how to close your real estate wholesaling deals with cash buyers for the most money for the biggest assignment fees possible. Before we go in the video, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the clip. So the last part here is you're getting great deals here, but you're in Rochester. So how are you selling these deals? You said you're doing videos, pictures. It's helping you a lot. How are you disposing these deals for like some massive fees that you're getting?
So number one way I think in the current climate we're in is real estate investor Facebook groups. It is so easy to get a large handful of active investors right on these groups. Your city, every city in the country probably has a ton of them. I mean, you can post stuff on there. You can interact with other buyers. You can learn about what they're looking for. You can look at posts, see what another property someone else has posted, and see who's commenting on it, and see who's posting their email. Say, send me the deal, send me the details. Like, contact those people because they're obviously buyers. See who's the most active in those groups. Like that stuff. I mean, that's a super easy way to find regular, consistent buyers. So that's always my number one is that's how I initially build lists. Then you create relationships with people. And so you have your top tier, whatever you want to call it, buyers. Most wholesalers, in my experience, have a small handful of buyers that they sell the majority of their deals to. So, I have like maybe 5 or 6 guys that buy 90% of my deals.
Yeah.
And then for some of the other stuff, then you go and farm it out and you go to your next tier of guys. And then you might post stuff on a Facebook group here or there. You might post it on Craigslist. I mean, I have a whole series of events of here's our first step, here's our second, here's our third. By the end of it, now I'm contacting realtors to see if they have any investors in that area. I look on the MLS. And so this is actually a really powerful way to get a ton of buyers. So you look on the MLS, look for similar properties in the area that have sold recently. And you can look for one of two things. You either look for properties that needed work that were purchased cash, and you look at who represented the buyer.
Yeah. And
then you contact that real estate agent and you say, hey, I saw that you represented a cash buyer on this and this transaction. I'm wondering, do you represent other investors? And more often than not, in my experience, what I've found is that when a realtor works with one investor, they work with multiple investors. And so now you have one connection that has a handful of buyers, and they will help you sell it. And in a lot of cases, every realtor is a little bit different. But if it's a flip, then they are happy to just bring the deal to their buyer, and because they know that they're going to get the commission on the backside when that flipper ends up listing that property on the market. So that's one way to find through realtors. The other way is to look at flips that were done on the market, see who's selling that property, who's representing the seller, who's the realtor, and contact them and say, hey, I saw you're representing this property, this transaction, looks like it was a flip. Again, same thing, wondering if you work with investors. And then, hey, I have this deal in the area, wondering if they might be interested in it. Like that is a super easy way to get a lot of buyers through just one contact.
I mean, that's huge. I mean, just go straight to the source, the MLS.
Yep.
There's other services there if you don't have MLS access, but that's some pretty good stuff. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.